It's not enough to just delete your Telegram account. There are a number of things you need to do before you tap that delete button to make sure all of your data and information is fully gone from the Telegram servers. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Open up the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Data and Storage midway down. Tap on Storage Data at the top and start by tapping Clear Entire Cache and Clear Cache. This will delete out all of the temporary files that are stored on your phone. But next, let's delete some other files and clear some things by tapping the back arrow. Tap on the back arrow again. Tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on Data Settings. Tap the Delete Synced Contacts at the top and tap Delete. Tap Delete All Cloud Drafts and tap Delete. And then finally tap Clear Payment and Shipping Info and then tap Clear. So now you have deleted everything from there and you're ready to delete the account. To do that, tap the back arrow at the top left. And you can see automatically delete my account if I'm away for 24 months. However, if you tap on that, you can tap on Delete Account Now at the bottom. Make sure you are ready to do so because as soon as you tap that Delete Account button, all of your information, your chats and everything will be deleted. At that point, you can hop out of here and press and hold on the app and just tap Remove App and delete the app from your iPhone or Android. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.